This is the most disgusting thing that I've discovered today. Look at this, the way it comes out. Like, oh, good God. It was sitting in my fridge for a long time and I just never ended up drinking it. So it's time to throw it out. And oh, holy shit. Look at that. Oh. Look, just one continuous blob. Oh my God. Ugh. Yeah, I'm definitely not trying that stuff again. Ugh. Fuck, get out.